Right here on my screen is the cheapest visual phone you can ever find on the market in 2025 and beyond. I'm talking about a visual phone that doesn't just run on your phone locally, but it is very, very, very cheap and affordable. Remember, I used the word very, very cheap. This phone just costs around $1 monthly. That is around 1,600 in Naira every month. And that is even if you want to pay. There is even a way for you to operate this visual phone without paying, right from your Android phone or your iPhone. All right, so this is the visual phone. I just launched it, and I'm going to open up, raise the menu here, and you're going to see that it has my Brave browser here, it has calendar, it has camera. Like, the camera works. This is not like other visual phone and the camera just sucks. All right, so the camera works. In fact, this operates like your phone randomly. I'm going to come over to settings here so that you would see that's what I'm talking about. So right here, my phone is not Samsung, but you can see that I have created a Samsung phone. I know you'll be wondering how I was able to accomplish all of this. Yes, you will be shown how to do it yourself. Now, when I launch this and the Android version, you will see that this is a real Android 11 phone. My phone is Android 14, all right, and it's going to Android 15. But you can see right here that I was able to get an Android 11 to run on this device. So right now, I have a total different fingerprinting from my real device. See, the era where you want to do survey with your smartphone, I mean your physical smartphone, as it is gone. It is gone. Like, that's why you face account ban. You get a lot of account ban. So here I have this platform with a different MAC number, with a UK phone number. This is the platform for UK. I have the US version. Like, guys, you can have hundreds accounts on this platform, and it's just the same price that you are paying to run all of them. I mean, less than $8. So I want to also show you something right here. Let me launch this browser, and I want to show you that this is actually working. So I'm just going to go over to google.com. so let's just wait for it to load up, and here is google.com. so I'm just going to type here where I am currently, and you're going to see that I'm in what I'm in UK. You can see close to Leicester, all right, because that is where my IP is currently located. So with this, you can be able to run your survey on your phone and without getting banned, or at least have minimum ban. Now, instead of making a whole video to show you how to set up, because you are setting this platform in your local phone locally, so it takes quite a lot of techniques, and YouTube is a public space, so I tell them not to do it on YouTube. But for my community's sake, because of you, I'm doing a live session outside YouTube, where we're not just going to talk about this platform. I'm going to show you how to set up this platform, like everything you need to know about this platform. Even if I should tell you the name right now, you can still go up and mess this platform. In fact, this platform is like a tool given to you, and the creator is saying do what you want to do with the phone. All right, so I'm going to show you everything that I've done, how I've been able to get it to work for me. But that live session is still going to contain, the picture should be displayed on your screen right now. It's still going to contain Q&A section where you can ask me questions around your survey and your challenges. We are going to talk about it in that live session. I'm also going to talk about things that I've done that help me to minimize getting banned. In fact, the live session is going to be loaded, and I cannot make it for free. The reason is that I don't like training on serious people. I'm not that kind of person that I don't waste my energy, I don't waste my time for people who are not serious. So that's why we put the minimum price ever you can ever get in the market for any training or any one-on-one session to be in a closed group to learn something, and it's just 8,000 naira. You're going to have access to it. Those who are not paying, I understand it shows that you don't need the platform, or probably you feel you can find out by yourself, to do things by yourself, and it's perfectly understandable. But for those who are interested in knowing about this platform, and not just this platform, we're going to talk about survey, and our goal is that we want to set you up for 2026, where you begin your survey 2026 and you are coming in a grand style. So if you are interested, just on the comment section, click on the link that will take you to our personal DM. There you can process from there to adding you to the closed WhatsApp platform, and I will see you in the training. Until I see you again, continue.